So I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a backlink from soundcloud.com, a domain with a DR of 94. This is going to be a free do follow backlink that indexes in Google. As you see here, I just did site column the URL of the backlink, and here it is indexed in Google as we see here. Okay, so not only it is do follow, it comes from the a domain with a DR of 94, but it is also free. Okay, so first things first is, of course, we go to soundcloud.com. Now, again, I won't show you how to sign up. It's quite straightforward. Just create an account. Just make sure the account looks real, otherwise you're going to get banned. So this means add a photo, a profile photo, add a description, use a proper email, confirm your email, right? Otherwise, again, your link's going to get removed. Make sure the account you create the link from looks real. Now, don't do what I did, because this account looks fake, right? This is my SoundCloud account. There's no picture. There's just a little, like, tiny bio. There's nothing, right? Make sure this looks a bit real. Now, even though this link has been live and indexed for years now, I would still recommend you make sure that your account looks somewhat real, okay? Now, second thing is you need to go to pixabay.com and download any music file. Doesn't really matter what it is, right? But to get a backlink from SoundCloud, you need to upload a track, okay? This is a music-based social media platform, okay? So download anything you want. Once it's done, what you do is you go to, just gonna go sign in real quick here. Right, so I'm logged in. I'm gonna go to my profile right here, okay? Again, make sure your profile looks real, otherwise you're gonna get banned. Now what you do, close out of this right here, you're gonna scroll down and click here on upload more. And you're gonna upload the file that you just downloaded, okay? Upload the MP4 or MP3 file you just downloaded, okay? Now of course you wanna make sure you fill all this in, make it look real, right? So for example, try my AI tool. I mean, this doesn't look really real, but yeah, at journalist AI, right? I mean, fill all this in, right? Fill as much things as you can. Again, I'm gonna make sure this looks real as possible, okay? That's it. You can even change the permalink if you want, but where you add your link is going to be here in the metadata tab. So click save. Make sure it's set to public, right? I'm sorry about that. I'm going to have to go back and edit this. So we're going to click here, go to your track, and I'm going to edit again. Sorry about that. So again, we're back here. Make sure this is set to public. Otherwise, of course, your link won't be public and won't index on Google. But now here is where things get real. Go to metadata, right? Again, fill all this in where you can. And where you add your do follow link, here's here in the bio link. So I'm just going to do this HTTPS tryjournalist.com. Okay, hit save changes. Now again, fill all the other stuff in, right? Hit refresh right here, and now as you see here, this links out to my site, okay? And this is your do follow link, okay? As you see here, it is a do follow link. Now, as you saw before, right, this is my profile right here. There's also a link here, right? But this link is no follow, okay? This is another track of mine, because I could go in here. Let me just show you right here this. I could go back and edit this track as such. Just copy this and paste it in here. Hit save, right? Now, it's going to show a link right here. But again, this link is no follow. It is still a link, right, from as here it is no follow, okay? It is still a link from this domain right here, which is quite powerful, right? A DR of 94, but it is no follow. And so the only way in which you can get a do follow link is if you add it here in this little buy button. It is a sneaky way, but it's a very powerful way to get a do follow link from this platform. Again, you can also have a link if you go to your profile right here. If you do this, your profile will also have a link here, but again, this link is no follow too, right? As you see here, no follow, okay, no follow. So again, the only way that you can do it is by, again, uploading your track, adding all the stuff right here, make it look real, and then in the metadata tab right here, add your link to the buy button as such, okay? And that's where the link's going to be. Again, it is a do follow link, as you saw before, and this is exactly how you get a link that actually indexes on Google. So I can just paste that after. This is my other old link, right? This is the old link you saw. Let me just wait for this to load. Let me just close out of this, all this right here. This is indexed in Google. It's taking a bit to load. Okay, it's not loading now, doesn't really matter, but yeah, this is the link that it is indexed in Google, as you see here, and this one will eventually, just the one we just created, will eventually index in Google as well. So yeah, that's how you get a do follow backlink from SoundCloud, a domain with a DR of 94. If you want to see more videos about how to build backlinks for free, do follow links, let me know down in the comments below, because that's the only way I know if you want to see more of these types of videos. If you do, let me know, because I got a list of a bunch more powerful sites with even higher DRs that I can show you how you can build links from them for free. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a go at Journalist AI. It's quite a powerful tool to produce AI SEO content. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know as well. And I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.